How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to SainzFab and welcome back to a very quick video where I am trying to sort out the mess that's going on here. You can tell that I am clearly running out of room, so I need to make some kind of organizational changes to make this space a little bit more usable. Now what I've got here is a welding trolley to put all this welding equipment on. So in this one we're going to put that together, rack it up and hopefully make this place a little bit more productive. Let's get into it. Let's take a little bit closer look at what we've got here. This is the bottom tray, and then we got this one, which is an upright, and then these are the back uprights to make the thing taller. We got a middle shelf here, and we got a top shelf here. The top shelf is where the machine sits, and then we got a bunch of other bits here, including the wheels, handles, some brackets, some wheels, and let's start putting it together. Manual says we start with the bottom, so let's start at the bottom. And we're going to start with step one, which is putting on the front casters. So that's these ones here, and they've given us, what are these, like M6 14s with a screwdriver head. We'll chuck these on, it won't take a sec. Fed from the top. Wow, nearly wrong on the first step. Well done. What are they giving us? Spring washers. Lovely. Screw. Bolt. Washer. Spring. Nut. Right, another 7 of those, I guess. Let's get on the other side, same as before. We got screw through, then the wheel, then the washer, then the spring washer, and then the nut. Right, what's next? Next is putting the wheels on the front. Let's get the bar, the bolts. Oh, it's pin clips. Nice. Let's have a look. Bar. They're not sided, so they can go straight on. And what have we got here? Split pins. Makes that easy, doesn't it? In there. Around there. Done. And God, I hope you can see this. Oh, you idiot. Right, don't be a knob. Put the washers on. There we go. Washer. Split pin. And cool. Might have a scoot around the workshop before I carry on. That was stupid. The next step is this upright plate here. This is the back plate here where the bottle bolts onto. So it's the big plate that holds that all upright. Let's put that on. That goes with these slots pointing down and facing inside to give the flat edge at the back. And that bolts in with the same bolts. Lovely. Nice and easy. It's funny how they sent all of the bolts pre-built so that they knew they were kits. I wonder if there was a guy at the factory that all he does in his whole life is just do these bolts up into sets for us to take apart again. What a fun job, eh? I'm going to leave them loose for now, because I know that the next step, let me show you, the next step here is to put on the uprights. So let's get those on. Then I can get a shelf in, which is here, and then I'll tighten up the back ones, and hopefully that'll be nice and square. Front shelves. These have the extra holes at the top, so they go in this way. Same bolts, same deal. These are sided. We got an issue. Have a look at these two here. They got offset bolts. The offsets go nearest the front. So that's for that side, which means this is for this side. Also, these screw holes are not in line, but these ones are. So this is clearly meant to lean backwards. Is it? Is it though? No. That goes on the outside like this. What? RTFM, Mr. Sains. Right, now what we got? These two shelves are different. This one is a complete tray, and it's got 2 and 1, so that goes this way around. This one has a roll off on the edge instead of being a complete tray, and that's because if your welder's too big, it can slightly overhang. So this is the middle shelf, this is the top shelf.
Oh look, aren't you clever, Paul? Let's leave this one loose so it lines up.
And then tighten these ones up and they don't line up. Oh, you knobhead. Yeah, okay. So now that we got this far and everything's left nice and loose and definitely not tightened up and then loosened off beforehand, we'll take a square, we'll square up the back and then tighten up one of the bolts down at the bottom. Sure it's still okay, back a bit, there we go. Nice. There we go. Now we know it's straight and we can tighten all the rest up and then put the top on. It's the top next, and this open end is going away from the bottle at this end of the thing. Cart, you know what I'm talking about. Goes at this end. Oh, you're kidding. And with everything left loose, you can get these top bolts lined up absolutely perfectly, and then, and only then, you can tighten everything down and it'll all be secure. You prick. Now that the cart is completely assembled and fully tightened up, the next thing we need to do is put on these brackets. Now what these do is they go on here and they go on here, and they just give you somewhere to wrap your cables around. And if you read the manual, you'll see that it actually uses the bolts that you use to put these two trays in. So read ahead and then you don't have to take these out again. Next on the build is the carrying handle. Now these go on the outside of this one here. God, it's quite a tight fit. But they're going to go here on the outside. And then we've been supplied with some braces that are going to go from here and into this top one here, just to square it all off and keep it tight. Let's get the bolts in for that. We got longer bolts for these ones, but the rest are all the same 14mm as the rest.
You joking?
Fuck's sake. Look what I've done. Look what I've done. These bolts here, supposed to be in these ones here, so this tilts up. I thought this was supposed to be level, but I think the manual's implying that it wants to do a lean back, which means that I've got to take these out and put them in here. God damn it. Right, so that's supposed to be right up here. Oh, you dickhead. The bolts don't line up. The last bit of assembly on the build is these bottle racks. These are going to go one up here and one in the middle here, and that's just to support the bottle. The chain will hold it on for final, but what we're going to do is put these on first, and then I think this is all together and we can start putting the welder onto the rack. This bolt goes through the back and the top, and I'm telling you now that I am glad it lined up, because I don't think my sanity can take it. And there we have it, the complete build. Nice and sturdy. Perfect, first time. Not a bolt out of place, absolutely love it. Let's get the welder on. It's a beauty! And there we go, the trolley is complete. A nice simple build and a significant amount of ineptitude, and we have got this thing together. This is going to make things much, much easier moving this around the workshop and getting jobs done. So, thank you very much for spending some time with me while I build this. I'm sure that this is about as useful as tits on a fish, but I'm sure that someone will get some humour out of it, at least laughing at my uselessness. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers. And then you don't have to take these out again. You prick. Fuck's sake. Fucking, I will not be defeated by a trolley. Oh, you dickhead. I think I'm gonna cry. I think I'm gonna cry. Tune in next time where I can waste your time again. Thanks very much.